Good afternoon, parents and my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, children, it's time to study, right? Yes. Have you said your prayers? Yes, you know that it is very must that you say your prayers every day before your studies. And now you know, as it's time for studies, have you had your lunch? Yes. Before your studies, you have to get prepared and you have to have your lunch too. Right? Yes. Children, have you done your last homework? Whatever I had given you last video. What I had given you, children? Yes, I had given you circle. Right? Yes. Can you open the belong book, children? Yes, I had given you circle the object to the given letter. I had given you circle the object to the given letter. That was page number 15, right? That was page number 15. This I had given you one time. I had given you one time. And also I had given you write capital A to G, right? Write capital A to G one time, right? And I had also given you capital F and G, 2 lines of the long book, right, children? Have you all done? Yes. I have noticed that children are not sending the homework completely. They are sending only one page. If I have given you homework 3 times, children, you have to complete the homework 3 times. Okay? If I have given the homework 2 times, you have to complete the homework 2 times. Children, please complete your homework on time and send it to me. Okay? Children are sending me incomplete homework, not completely sending the homework fully. Okay? So I request my parents and my dear children, parents, kindly take interest in your children's homework and send the complete homework to the respective teachers. Maybe it may be English teacher or it may be a maths teacher. Okay? Yes, my dear children, now today we are going to start a new topic in English. Okay? Yes. So I want all of you to open your square line book. Okay? Yes. All of you open your square line book, your pencil and your eraser. I'll give you 5 minutes. Open your book, square line book. A new page in the square line book, pencil and eraser. Okay, children, you have to be ready with your book, your pencil and your eraser when the teacher comes in at 12 o'clock with the video. Okay? Yes. So get ready, children. I'll prepare the board. So you open your book and you sit. Okay? Yes. Yes. Children, have you opened your book, pencil and eraser? Yes. Come on. Now, today I have started the topic, write first letter to the picture. Okay? Yes. I have given you the new topic, that is, we had done before once. Okay? I am giving you again so that you may learn nicely. You may know properly what you have to write. Okay? Yes. I will explain you again. Teacher has given the question, write first letter to the picture. Okay? Teacher will be giving the picture. Okay? The picture you have to look nicely and then you have to write the first letter. You are too small, so you don't have to write the full word. So you have to write only the first letter. Like A for apple. Okay? A for apple. So teacher will give you apple and you have to write A. Okay? You have to write A. Ball, B for ball, B for ball. So teacher will give you ball and you have to write B, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. Teacher will give you cat as a picture. You have to write C. You have to write C. C for cat. Okay? Yes. Teacher will give you D for drum. Teacher will give you D for drum. Okay? Yes. So teacher will give you drum. So you have to write D. You have to write D. Okay? Teacher will give you egg. So you have to write E. Teacher will give you fish. So you have to write F. Teacher will give you grapes. So you have to write G. So remember this, children. Please remember, you have to look at the picture and you have to write. So have you understood, children? Yes. You have to look at the picture and you have to write. Now what is the first picture teacher has given? Grapes. Teacher has given grapes. So what word will come? Yes, children. What word will come? Yes, I have already explained you. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for drum, E for egg, F for fish, and G for grapes. So G for grapes. So G will come here. So G will come. Okay? Very good. Next picture is cap. Next picture is cap. So what is the picture? Cap. So what you have to write? Children, what you have to write? Yes, C for cap. You have to write C for cap. You have to write C for cap. You have to write C for cap. Okay. Yes. Now, next picture is fish. Next picture is fish. So what you have to write, children? Come on. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish. You have to write F for fish. F for fish. Okay. Now next. Okay. Arrow. Teacher has given arrow. Teacher has given arrow. So which letter will come? Children, which letter will come? Yes. Very good. A for arrow. A for arrow. A for arrow. Very good. Yes. Now next. This is egg. This is egg. So what is the picture teacher is giving? Egg. Very good. So what letter will come? Yes. Come on. I want everybody to say. Come on. Loudly. E for egg. Very good. E for egg. E for egg. Very good. Okay. Next picture is bat. Next picture is bat. So what will come? B for bat. Very good. B for bat. Very good, children. Yes. Now this last picture. What is the last picture? Come on. Last picture is drum. So which letter will come? Which letter will come, children? Yes. D for drum. D for drum. So I'll explain you again. I'll explain you, children. Yes. Teacher has given you write first letter to the picture. Okay. Teacher will give you a picture and you have to write your letter. You have to write the letter. Okay. So you have to look at the picture and you have to write the letter. This is grapes. So you have to write G for grapes. This is cap. So you have to write C for cap. This is fish. So you have to write F for fish. This is arrow. So you have to write A for apple. This is arrow. So you have to write A for arrow. So you have to write the letter A. This is egg. So you have to write E for egg. This is bat. So you have to write B for bat. Okay, you have to write the first letter. This is drum. So this is D for drum. You have to write D for drum. So I want you to write this homework 2 times. Okay, I want you to write this homework 2 times. So kindly, children, copy the first letter to the alphabet, first letter to the picture from the board. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. Till then I'll start the next topic. So children, have you copied? Write the first letter to the picture. Have you copied, children? Yes. If you have not copied, you can pause the video, you can stop the video, and you can continue copying. Okay? Yes. So I want everybody to complete the homework 2 times. Okay? So now I want you to open your long book to page number 16. Come on. All of you open book 2. Come on. Everybody open your book 2 book. Yes. And page number 16. Come on. Page number 16. We have a last topic today. For the book 2, we have a last topic, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. You have to complete it in the red line. Okay, you have to write for homework in the book itself. You don't have to write in the red line book. Okay, children, please listen to me what I am saying. Okay, you don't have to write A to G in the red line book, small book. You have to write in the long book only. You have to write it and you have to send the copy for it. So I have drawn red line for you so that you may understand. Okay, so we will start A to G. Today we are going to write page number A to G, page number 16. Okay, yes. This is page number 16. Okay, yes. So I'll start, children. Yes. So teacher has given your book. They have given A, B, C, D, E, and F, G. Okay. Yes. Letter A. You have to write red line to blue line, children. You have to write red line to blue line. So I'll teach you how to write red line to blue line. Okay. So everybody will pay attention here. Children, everybody pay attention here. Okay. This is the page number 16. Write A to G. Okay. Yes. See, this is your page. This is your page. And you have to write red line to blue line. This is red line and this is 2 blue lines. So you have to write between red line and blue line. So I'll show you. This is red line. This is A. This is A. Okay. Then next is B. This is B. Next is C. Then D. E. After D is E. Okay. After E is F. And after F is G. So they have given A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So now we will write it. Okay, we will write it in a line. We will write this way. Okay, we will write this way. Okay, yes. So now first letter is A. First letter you have to write red line to blue line. Children, this is a red line. Okay, and this is a blue line. This is a blue line. There are 2 blue lines. Okay, you have to write from red line to blue line. Now come on, we'll write. Okay, A. Capital A. Capital A. Capital A. Okay. Yes. So they have told you to write 4 times. You have to write 4 times, children. This is 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, and 4 time. So you have to write 4 times. So I am showing you 4 times. This is okay. Yes. Now we write B. This is capital B. B for ball. B for bat. Okay. B for ball. B for bat. B for balloon. B for bat. B for balloon. Okay, this is 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. This is 4 times. Now this is C. C for cat. You have to write red line to blue line, children. Not to go out. Okay? If you don't know, take your help of your parents. They will teach you. They will show you. Okay? But you have to write your homework. Okay? Homework you have to write. Okay? This is capital C. Red line to blue line. Red line to blue line. Okay? Yes. This is red line and this is blue line. This is red line and this is blue line. You have to write red line to blue line. This is red line to blue line. Okay? This is red line and I have written in the blue line. So, red line to blue line you have to write. Okay? Now, next is capital D. This is capital D. Next is capital D. Red line to blue line. Okay? Red line to blue line. Capital D. Red line to blue line. Capital D. Red line to blue line. Capital D. Red line to blue line. Okay? You have to write 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. But you have to write red line to blue line. Not to go out. Okay, children? Yes. Now, next we go to capital E. Okay? Capital E. Standing line and 3 slipping lines. Standing line and 3 slipping lines. Standing line and 3 slipping lines. Okay, this is capital E. Next we go to capital F. Standing line and 2 slipping lines. Standing line and 2 slipping lines. Standing line and 2 slipping lines. Standing line, 2 slipping lines. Okay, this is capital F. Red line to blue line. Red line to blue line. Okay. Now next we go capital G. वो stop करता. Capital G. Okay. Yes, you have to take round and you have to take G. You have to take G. This is capital G. This is capital G. Okay? Yes. So I repeat it again for you, children. I want you to write in the long book, not to write in the red line book, the small book. Okay? You don't have to write in the small book. You have to write in the long book itself. Okay? A to G, page number 16. So this is A. Red line to blue line. Capital A, red line to blue line. Capital A, red line to blue line. Capital A, red line to blue line. Capital B, red line to blue line. It has to be here. Okay, it has to be in the red line to blue line. Red line to blue line. Okay, yes. Capital C, red line to blue line. Capital D, red line to blue line. Capital E, red line to blue line. Capital F, red line to blue line. And capital G, red line to blue line. Okay, this has to be only once in the long book. Okay, only once. Only once. This has to be only one time. Okay, yes. So I want you to copy fast and then send the homework to me immediately. Okay, yes. Then I end my video. Children, you know that what is your homework? Yes, your homework is write first letter to the picture two times, and you have to write page number 16 long book A to G in the long book itself. Okay, one time. So my escape Naira. Okay, she also sends the homework on time and sends to me. Okay, yes, she is also very regular. She also completes the homework on time and sends to me. So my dear parents, if you want your children's name to be called out in my English lecture in my video, so I request you to also start your children to complete the homework and send to me. Okay, yes. So my dear parents and my dear children, I'll come back to you in the next video, next English class, the new topic in English. So I, Lavina teacher, saying thank you and goodbye. Take care. God bless you.